Okay, today we're going to do the LAB 510 test runs to automatically label these cardboards from the manufacturer Hartz. We're going to put some RFID labels on them to protect them. Please turn on the machine. First you start the conveyor belt and the labeling part. Then automatically it will start the input feeder. We didn't have to do any calibration, just adjust it for the format and just as it goes. It's very fast. You get a very good throughput, between 3,000 and 4,000 pieces per hour. As you can see, it's less than a second per product. 100% reliable. In this case we have the cardboard, and then we have a little bit wider products here. Some folded cartons. We're gonna do the folded cartons right after we run these through. Okay, these are all the products already. The folded cartons, as you can see here, are a little bit wider. Can you extend the input feeder a little bit? So you have to extend the feeder here on both sides by using these screws, okay? On both sides you have these screws to get the walls a little bit outside. And at the same time you have to adjust also the sidebars. I'm just gonna open them a little bit further now. Turn it off. Open the sidebars, get them a little bit further outside. Make sure the product fits through there. Alright. Can give it a little bit tolerance on the left side. And then adjust the product by running it through, okay? These are the sidebars. You can very flexibly adjust your product. Now you already see, okay, let's just run one product through and see whether it works. Can you turn on the input feeder, please? So we just do the mechanical test now for one of the cartons. As you could see, the label position is not good yet. It's actually, the label is dispensed too late. So we want to dispense the label earlier. As you can see here, actually there's a sample. That's where we want the labeling position. So we're gonna go a little bit earlier by changing the position of the product sensor. We want the label to be dispensed earlier, and we want to go all the way to the other side. Okay, how are we going to do? We're going to do this actually by raising this slide and then turning this wheel here. Okay, you can see now the position of the label is changing in the Y position. Okay, please go further, just above the green, almost above the, yeah, that's all right, that's all right, that's all right. Okay, I'm just going to lower it again. Make sure these green rolls run above the conveyor belt. Just put one product in, just for one test. This way, the cartons, this way. And there we go. Now here we get the label on top of the other label. Could still adjust the positioning of the label a little bit further. So please run a batch. Please put a stack of products inside. So now you actually saw how quick and easy it was to change from one format to the other, alright? And now you can just continuously load the products onto the machine during the operation, okay? Just put some more cartons in, please. Here, as you can see, the positioning of the label is exactly the same. It's very accurate. It has about 1 millimeter of tolerance. You can see here, it's right here on that line. And here, it's on the blue line. Alright. Show some more. No, sorry. As you can see here, they're on that blue square. On that blue square. Okay. So these are the cartons And the other product we showed before, that was the first product we ran through. As you can see here, there was the first label, then here's the other one. These are the cartons, the folded cartons. And the other ones were the cardboards. Actually, you did not have to adjust the product height. This was very similar, just the product width actually. We have one more product we're gonna do sample test run. I'm gonna do this in a separate video.